I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to show Siri captions on your iPhone or iPad. Have you ever wished you could see a transcription of what Siri is saying, either for clarity or just because you prefer reading responses? Whether you're in a noisy environment or need assistance with audio, Siri captions can be incredibly helpful. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Siri captions on your iPhone or iPad. This feature enhances your interaction with Siri by providing a visual aid to accompany Siri's responses. Now let's walk through the steps to show Siri captions on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu until you find Siri and Search and then tap Siri and Search. The associated window opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Ask Siri section and then tap Siri Responses. The Siri Responses screen is displayed. Step 4. Find Always Show Siri Captions in this menu, and then tap to toggle it on. Going forward, everything that Siri says will also be shown in captions displayed on your iPhone or iPad screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.